Bite-sized finger foods are always a hit in iftar, right? And if it is on sticks, it looks cool too. So today let's make chicken popsicles. These popsicles are just a fun way to cook up ground chicken, and they are so crispy, flavorful and such a treat to the entire family. So let's see how to make it. First, add 500 grams boneless chicken in a blender. Add 1 small roughly chopped onion, some fresh coriander leaves with stems, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 4 to 5 bread slices, and now close the lid and blend it nicely. Once done, transfer this in a bowl. Apply oil on your hands. Make oval shaped patties out of the chicken mix. And now prick medium size ice cream sticks into this chicken mix and make a shape. And next I'm going to dip it in a slurry corn flour mixture and then coat this with breadcrumbs. If you want more crispy, double coat the popsicles with corn flour and breadcrumbs. And then freeze this for an hour or more. Once you are done with freezing, deep fry on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes till it's perfectly cooked and the crumbs become golden brown in color. Once done, drain it on paper towel, transfer this on serving plate and serve immediately. These tasted very good with my favorite sweet chili sauce, but you can serve this with ketchup or chili garlic sauce too. Kids of all ages will love this delicious chicken popsicles. So try this and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Follow us for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more interesting recipes. Take care and have a nice day.